How you all doing, Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs? Time for a vlog. Been a while. So, the what's in and what's up coming and what's happening. We've got our decks, Suzuki. Yeah, looks pretty normal for a custom job until we come round the back and you see it's got a fucking massive 240 in there. It's nearly as wide as the fucking engine. Same with the front. Look at these, they're like Klingon fucking slabba-dabba-doo-dahs, the yokes. You don't want to drop one of them. Whatever you drop them on, there's something will break before they do. And a massive 240 in the front. And we're all going to make it fit. Not we're going to make it all fit. So that's one of this month's thrilling adventures. We've also finally managed to get on with Nicky's trike. After the finger gate. I nearly chopped the end of my fucking finger off, didn't I? So, I've done the rear mudguard stays. They're just mocked up now. They were over at the weekend checking it out, and I know where to put the seat, so I can get on with the framework for the front and back seat. Get the fenders mounted. Not sure about the tank mounts quite just yet, but that's probably going to be this morning's jolly. What is absolutely dominating this month is Barney's Triumph Bobber. Less than 1,000 miles this has done. Just like brand new. And he's changed a few bits. He's put some Triumph actually, ape hangers on it and forwards off a different bike. But it's still Triumph. And a few other bits and bobs. We're going to totally strip it. We're going to rework the headstock area. We're going to rake it and give it a little bit of a gooseneck so it can run some overlength forks. And then we're going to strip it, powder coat it, build it back up. And it should end up looking just like it does now, quality wise, only with those modifications. So that is this month's big fucking job. There's a lot of fucking hours in there. That's what I'm going to be getting on with once I've done a bit on a few other bits. The old Harrison milling machine. I've just got to make a stud for this stop. Yeah, for the power feed. So we'll have a stop both ways, left to right, right to left. Suds is just the... I did have a 12 volt suds pump in there, hence the battery, because the standard pump's shagged, burnt out. I'm not sure about getting it rewound if it's cost effective, but they're well obsolete. So we're going back to hand feed for now. I'm hoping to set up a spray, an air and mist system that I can suck the suds out the suds pump, out the suds tank up to the head area here, and then it'll have a nozzle that sprays on the job and blows the chips out of the way, whilst providing a little bit of coolant. Really good systems if you're not running heavy duty gear, which I'm not. So that could be the solution. I've ordered the bits I need to make that happen, so we'll see how that goes. And Johnny P's trike, bless him. The powder coaters I don't want to say mess me around because they're really good. There's been delays. The chap I booked the job in with left and the information wasn't passed on. And then the finish on his yokes has come out shit. So they're redoing those. As soon as I get that back, we're going to get this built up and we're going to go for a test ride. Get a brake line sorted, get all the front end back in looking pretty. And that is that, done, dusted, sorted, bless him. There you go, it's just a quick update. I'm guessing out of the Triumph is going to be properly documented. I'm really pleased to have got that. Barney's a lovely guy, one of my Chop Club brothers. Big love to the 1433, big shout out everyone. And it's quite an involved job, so that's going to be have its own little video I'm going to make. I'll get on with Nicky's Trike, do a little bit on that this month. Might touch on Dak's front end. The big thing with this job that's been playing on my mind since it came in is the top yoke needs some work, and it needs welding really. It's had a piece put in. I'm not happy with that. I need to machine where the piece has been put in to take the steering stem threaded. Got a thread into it, so I'll be happy if it were welded. Now, do I take the plunge and upgrade my TIG? You can see it in the back there actually. Upgrade that TIG's not an AC/DC. It's a beautiful little TIG. It's been faultless since I've had it. I've just checked on my orders and I've had it just over a year. And I've used it quite a lot. I don't use it every day. Don't weld every day. I don't fucking want to weld every day. But it's useful. I use it when I need it, and it's a great little bit of kit. I'm thinking of upgrading so I can do alley welding with the AC/DC one. So then I can get on with this. I could do some more on the Trike, on Nicky's Trike. I know that needs a bit of alley welding on the exhaust. I'm not sure. We'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's this month's workload, if you like. There's my Suzuki chop that I'm desperate to get on, but I can't see me touching it this month. We'll see what happens with Barney's and the other two jobs. Johnny's Trike will be done this week, definitely. Barney's should be stripped this week, definitely. Nicky should be ready for us to come back and have another test fit for the seat and see where the running boards go, etc, etc. It's going to be a busy week, yeah? Thanks for tuning in. Please, if you don't subscribe, subscribe. Hit the little bell, whichever side it shows, that side of thing, so you get alerts for when I upload new content. Check out my friends in the description below. And if you like what they do, give them a sub, yeah? Maybe leave them a comment, say that you came from me. Have a wonderful, wonderful one. Lots of love, everyone, and I'll see you soon.